So today I had a discussion with a 3 years of experience professional who is looking for the job into DevOps. She is not having a prior experience into DevOps, but she just want to get the job into DevOps, and for that she is continuously attending the interview, but somehow her profile is getting rejected. So she contacted me because she was having some doubts in preparations or related to the interviews. So if you are also preparing for the DevOps, okay, so you can watch this video till the end. This video will really help you or clear your doubts related to the interview. Okay, so please watch this video till the end, and if you have any doubt or you want to contact with me for your resume review or any of the doubts related to the DevOps, you can go through my TopMate profile. Okay, and you can book your slots there. Of course, I would be very happy to connect with you. Okay, and also at any of the time you need any assistant or you need any guidance related to the DevOps, so you can also connect with me in link. Okay, I have already mentioned the link for the TopMate profile and the LinkedIn profile. Okay, so you can check the link in the descriptions. Thank you.
How are you doing today?
Yeah, I'm doing good, but a little bit nervous and excited too.
Okay, so Sangeeta, before we start our discussions, okay, so
Yeah,
I would like to know about your experience in DevOps, because I
yeah,
think you have uh, booked this slot just for the
yeah.
having some doubts and all, right, regarding
Yes,
DevOps.
yes,
Yes.
yes, yes. First, actually, I have started my career as a in support role. I'm working on a support role, but I am not working on DevOps in real time. But I wanted to transition into DevOps. So from last 1 year onwards, I'm upskilling myself, and I have given nearly 15 to 20 interviews, and for two of them I got selected. But those positions are also went on hold, and they are again they are calling me and asking for the availability. Again they are putting me on hold. After that, I it was it's like I'm totally lost confidence in that to start again. So I'm having so many doubts how to start and again how to upskill myself, because nowadays sometimes they will ask scenario questions. At that time I'm unable to answer to that type of questions, but I'm able to answer at least 70 to 80% on what I have learned till now. So based on that, I need some guidance and tips to follow how to upskill myself like that.
Uh,
So for that, I have booked this session.
Sure, sure. So Sangeeta, how many years of experience do you have, like the total experience
I'm
overall?
having total 3.2 years.
3.2 total years of experience. Okay.
Yes.
So how much experience you are showing currently in your resume for DevOps?
I'm showing 2.5 to 3 years. I'm showing.
Okay, 2.5 to 3 years.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Just I want you to confirm me the skill set, whatever you have mentioned in your resume.
Yes. Yes. Okay. I have mentioned GitHub, Linux, Docker, Kubernetes, Jenkins, AWS, some of the cloud services.
Jenkins. Okay,
Yes.
okay. So you said like you are attending the interview, even you get the chance, but somehow it is getting on hold, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so there might be the two kinds of reasons, right? The two types of reason. The first reason is sometimes, okay,
Yeah.
they find some better candidate,
Okay.
okay, and they will
Yeah.
tell you like they will tell you like this position is currently on hold, okay, or we will let you know in the future, something like that. They will share with you the feedback, okay.
Oh, okay.
The second reason is, okay, the second reason is they you know have some doubt on you.
Okay.
Like maybe during the interview,
Yeah.
suppose you are answering the way you are answering, they are checking the way you are answering, your confidence, right, the way
Yeah.
you are explaining, right, so
Okay.
everything they are checking. And let's say, just I'm giving you one example.
Okay.
If you are, because you are not in DevOps, right, you are just
Yes.
preparing, so what
Yeah.
happens, what I have experienced, uh, out of 10 questions, okay, the 9
Yeah.
questions you have answered very well, but
Okay.
the one silly questions, okay, one a very basic questions, the interviewer will ask you, and somehow you are not able to answer.
Yeah.
So based on that only, they are able to find like you are not a experienced guy into DevOps.
Okay.
That might be one reason.
Oh,
Okay, that might be
yeah.
also one reason. Okay,
Okay.
so but the very important things you have to keep in your mind, and that is what I would suggest in your situation is the patience.
Yeah.
Okay, you have to be patient, okay,
Yeah.
because you don't know how much time it will take to get the
Yeah.
first offer.
Okay.
Until that time you have to try, you don't need to
Okay.
give up. Okay, the most important thing is you don't need to give up. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
you just try. Okay,
Yeah.
or maybe in 50 interview
Yeah.
you will get rejected, but when you will get the first offer, so after that time, okay, you will get the confident, and the interviewer or the company will also will have some confidence in you, will see
Okay.
some confidence in you. And because
Yeah.
you have the first offer, so you can easily crack the second interview.
Okay.
Okay, you can
Yeah.
easily get the second offer, third offer. i
Yeah.
have I have the people who is preparing for the interview, even they have the 10 years of experience, 15 years of experience in other background, in IT, telecom, okay,
Yeah.
even in the banking sector, marketing sector, okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
10 years, 15 years. And because of they don't see any growth in their own profile or in
Yeah.
their own field, right, and
Mm.
that's the reasons they want to also change into DevOps,
Yes. Yes.
and they are able to crack the interview. But of course not in the first attempt, not in the second attempt, it takes some time, right, because if
Yes.
you have the more experience it will take more time.
Yes. Correct.
So only one thing I would suggest you, you should have the patience.
Okay.
Okay, the other thing what you can do, make some connection on the LinkedIn,
Okay.
okay, especially
Yeah.
with the HR recruiters.
Okay.
Follow your HR related to your profile, like suppose you are looking for the job in DevOps, right, Azure
Yes.
cloud or AWS cloud. So you just try to make the connection, okay,
Yeah. Okay.
follow the recruiters on LinkedIn,
Okay.
okay.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
So what will happen, if they have any opportunities, they will directly approach you.
Okay.
Suppose if some persons have a good experience, they have a good LinkedIn profile, okay, so what
Yeah.
happens, they get direct message from the good company recruiter,
Okay.
directly from the HCL, directly from the Google, directly from the Microsoft.
Yeah.
Okay, you will start getting the uh, HR message directly.
Okay.
But why they will message you? Because your profile, they somehow they think like, no, they find your profile is good or suitable for that position. So
Mm.
then only they will reach out to you. If your
Okay.
profile is not like the general or normal profile, like you are not putting anything, you are not posting anything, okay, or like
Yeah.
you don't have you are not showing your experience what you are doing currently. Sometimes nowadays, you uh, see in the LinkedIn nowadays people are posting a lot.
Yes.
Hey,
Yes.
today I have deployed this project. Hey, I am going to learn this Prometheus, Grafana. I'm going to set up the monitoring, right, in my current
Yes.
project. For this week, this is my target. Hey, I have attended the interview and this is the interview questions.
Yeah.
Means whatever you want, you can post in your LinkedIn
Okay.
related to your DevOps profile, related to your cloud profile. What will happens? The people will attract. The
Yeah.
people will start viewing your profile, and
Okay.
this is how the people will start reaching out to you,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
You might have seen my profile.
Yes. Yes. I have seen.
Some few days back only I had posted one post, right, related to the
Yeah.
group, job groups
Yes.
and all,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
And you might
Yes.
have
Yes.
seen, you know so people started messaging a lot, right? And
Yes. Yes.
I have till now, like, if you say, I have around 90,000 impressions on that post.
Okay.
Not 1,000, 2,000, 90,000.
Yeah.
So what I am saying, the same things you can do. You can
Okay.
just make the connections with the recruiter, with the DevOps candidate, okay,
Yeah.
DevOps professionals, and try to interact with them, okay, try to get some knowledge, ideas, and all, right? Because of
Okay.
course you are not in a DevOps, right? You are
Yes.
just trying to switch into DevOps, right? So of
Yes.
course you
Yes.
need to learn, you need to know, right? You need to know how to get prepared, or you need to know, like, what are the new skill sets, or what are the real time work or real time job, daily
Yes.
work, daily task of the DevOps engineers. So how you will you get, when you will start interacting with the people? Maybe
Yeah.
one people will ignore you, maybe one people will ignore you, but still there are a lot nice people are there also. They are ready to help you, right? And they will maybe they will share with the real time project, real time network architecture design, right? Real time, how the infrastructures are designed, right? What are the steps they follow to build the
Mm.
infrastructures? What are the security tools they have used or they are using in their current project, right? Like Sonar
Yes.
Cubes or OASP or any of the tools, right? TFSec
Yes.
or Chekhovs, like so many tools are there, right? Trivy people are
Yes.
using. So how will you get? Because for the DevOps, there are 10,000 tools in the market.
Yes.
Companies are not using 10,000.
Yeah.
There are cloud provider services, right? But
Yes.
people are using, focusing on Microsoft, AWS, Google,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
They don't
Yes.
care about, they are even they are not, they don't have any interest in other clouds. They don't believe or they don't trust, maybe just because of the security reason, or multiple reasons, right? There
Mm.
can be a lot
Yeah.
of reasons, right? So this is how I'm like you can do. You can start connecting with the people, okay? You should
Yeah.
have the patience, okay?
Okay.
And one
Okay.
day you will get the offer, definitely 100% you will get the offer, because you have a very less experience. This is what I want to tell you. You have a very
Okay.
less number of experience. I have already told you the peoples who is having the 15 years of experience, okay, in the different field. Of course they
Yeah.
have their expectation, salary expectation is high,
Yes. Yes.
even though they are able to crack the interview, of course. And you can understand their interview level is totally different,
Different. Yeah.
very very tough, not easy, right?
Yes. Yeah.
If I go for the interview, I attend the interview, so they are not going to ask the direct questions like what is the state file and all. They are not going, they are not interested in having the discussion, that kind of very straightforward questions. They will start, even they don't want you to ask uh, about the basic questions, right? They don't want to ask any of the basic questions. They just will jump into directly into the scenario based questions. We'll start
Okay.
from the database maybe.
Yeah.
But for
Yeah.
you, for you, you have the, you know, uh, advantage,
Of
because
learning.
yes,
Yes.
because you have a very less number
Very
of
less. Yes.
experience.
Correct.
So your questions interview level will be very not the very tough.
Yes. It might be intermediate, right?
Correct, correct. You
Yeah.
just need to learn a main topic.
Yeah.
Okay, main topic means, if I explain you, or I
Yes.
think, because
Yes.
see, we, as a DevOps engineer, our roles is very very simple.
Okay.
Just create the infrastructure, correct?
Okay.
Just
Yes.
create the infrastructure,
Okay.
and then deploy the applications,
Okay.
right? That is
Yes.
only the task. So we need to learn, right, how to create the infrastructures, right, what are the security tool we use, how to automate the infrastructures, you know. So those kind of things we need to understand. Just we need
Yes.
to learn about those security tools, policies, you know, how we set the policies, how do we
Mm.
set or integrate in the pipeline the security tools, right, or the vulnerability
Mm.
scanning tools and other tools for the infra
Yes.
pipeline. Then we have the applications. For the application deployment also we are using the pipelines. Maybe you can learn any of the pipeline, GitHub Actions or Azure DevOps, or you can learn the Jenkins or GitLab. Okay, these are the, what I am saying, these are the very popular pipeline, CI/CD pipeline tools nowadays people are using, or companies they are using. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
then for the GitOps tool you can learn the Argo City, Hem, right?
Mm.
So these are the
Yes.
very popular. For the monitoring, you can learn Prometheus, Grafana, right? You
Mm.
can learn for the
Yes.
notification like Slack. So these are the very very popular tool nowadays companies are using.
Okay.
If you know all these things, you can easily crack the interview.
Yeah, I'm having a theoretical knowledge on some of these tools like Prometheus, Grafana, and it's like for DevSecOps, Trivy for scanning the images. Mm, these are the tools I'm having basic theoretical knowledge, but I have to implement in real time. But
Hmm.
when I'm trying to implement, I'm facing so many issues.
Hmm.
At the time, I'm using ChatGPT or any other AI tools, but I'm unable to debug that issue. So that time I'm facing a lot of struggle, and I don't have anyone to. It's like nowadays everyone are busy,
Correct.
right? Yeah. That's why I'm unable to do that in real time. Whenever I'm spending 2 to 3 hours to build an application, even a simple application, sometimes it's working. Then it feel like, yeah, I have done this. After that, when I try to implement another project, which is it's like including so many tools like Jenkins, Docker. At a time when I'm using all these tools, then I'm facing an issue. That time I'm able to understand what's the issue, why I'm getting. That time I'm able to debug that, but completely I'm not getting that much. Whatever I'm expecting, I'm not getting that much. This is the problem I'm facing currently.
Okay, understood. So what I understood, like sometimes you are doing some project and you are getting
Yeah.
some errors, so you are not
Yeah.
able to resolve immediately, right? It takes some time.
Yes. Yes.
So this is not an issues. Why? Because even if you are working in the company and you will get some issues, you cannot resolve the issues, some issues instantly.
Yeah.
Up, okay, because the
Okay.
issues or errors can be multiple types, right?
Yes. Yes.
So you don't need to worry, or you don't need to get demotivated because of the errors are coming or you are not able to resolve. That is a very natural, you can say. Like
Mhm.
even you are working in the company, you will get the errors and it will take some time to resolve the issues.
Okay.
Okay, so
Okay.
yes, now the thing is, like, if you are thinking like, how can I get the help, if your question
Mm.
is like that, like if
Yeah.
sometimes I'm getting the issues, okay, and chat
Yeah.
gpt is not helping me, even the Copilot is not helping me, Google is not helping me. So how can I get the uh, how can I
uh,
get the help, right? So
yes,
in that case, there are a lot of DevOps related groups are there.
yes, okay,
Okay,
yeah,
the learner. Okay, there are a people from the different field, and they are learning the DevOps just because they also want to switch into DevOps.
okay,
So you can join that kind of group. If you
yeah,
have the questions like how can I join that kind of group, so I will share with you. Okay,
yeah,
the,
sure,
of course I will share with you some Telegram groups, okay, or WhatsApp
yes,
groups there are. Okay, the people are learning every days, they are having the discussions, they are asking to each others, they are joining the call. Okay, a lot of things. Okay, and this is how
yes,
like they are getting the help from each other.
okay,
Okay,
sure,
so I think that
yeah,
will
sure,
help you.
yeah, sure, sure.
Okay, you can ask any other issues you are facing at this time other than this, like, or you have any other questions?
Yeah, as of now, DevOps related, I'm having these questions. And um, it's like, can I share my resume? Can you go through with that once? If there are any modifications I can change that.
Sure.
So it might be helpful to for my profile. And I believe that you have already gone through my LinkedIn. Is there anything I need to update in my LinkedIn, or else only I need to post something related to DevOps? It's like
Sure, sure,
yeah,
sure. So what I understand, so you want me to review your resume, right?
yes, yes,
Okay. So related to the resume review, okay, can I request you to set up another call?
yes,
Maybe because in this call, we have only the 4 minute left, I think.
okay,
Okay, yeah. So just I would request you, you can book another slot, okay, and we can sit
yeah,
together. And
yeah,
of course, I would be very happy to review your resume or LinkedIn profile or Naukri
yeah,
profile, whatever's okay you want me.
yeah,
Okay, and of course, I will try to figure out the issues, or maybe sometimes the people are not adding the the skill set
yes,
in the resume or LinkedIn or Naukri.com. So that's the reasons
okay,
also the profiles are not getting shortlisted, or even the profiles are getting shortlisted, but maybe somehow the technical managers uh, they are not interested in your CV.
mm,
So that
mm.
kind of things, okay, we can have the discussions, of course. No
Yeah,
issue.
sure, yeah, sure, sure, Hemant.
Yeah.
Thank you for the suggestions. And yeah, I have already booked another session for career guidance as well.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I'll ask whatever the doubts I'm having in that session.
Sure.
And
Sure.
yeah, uh, till as of now, I can prepare for only intermediate level, right? For DevOps interviews, like whatever for each and every tool till intermediate level, I can get any hands-on experience and some real-time questions. I can go through any resources so that I can prepare for that interviews, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Sure. Sure.
That will be helpful, right?
Yes, of course. Even
Yeah,
you can even if you have any issues anytime, okay, you can
mm,
connect with me, or you can like discuss with me. Okay, if any
yeah,
issues like during the project phase, okay, you are
yeah,
deploying some project and all, and if
yes,
you are like facing some problems, if I will be available, so we can connect. I will, of course, I would be very happy to help you.
yeah.
That kind of
Thank you
things we
so
can
much
do.
for that.
Yeah,
Yeah, thank
sure,
you so much.
no
Yeah.
problem.
Yeah, sometimes I thought of going through some white papers. It will take so much of time because in AWS we have at least I need to know at least 10 services. In basic level, in intermediate level, I can able to manage. But in advanced level, like if there is any issue, or else if there is any scenario type of questions, that time I feel so confused. So that time is white papers will help if I think so, but there are so many papers, right? I can't able to read in a single month or in a single 2 months like that. But I need to how I can manage that type of thing.
Okay, okay. So you are saying um, you are saying like you are trying to resolve the issues, right? Or
Yes,
white. Okay, for the AWS.
yes, yes.
Okay, so see what you can do in that case. Okay,
Yeah.
nowadays the what the people are doing,
Yes,
they
yes.
are taking the help directly from the chat GPT.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
whatever you want, okay,
yeah.
you can directly ask with the chat GPT. Other than chat GPT, we have some other AI tool also, or like we have the Copilot also. Okay,
Yes,
so
yes.
for the code review also we have some tool.
Yeah,
Okay,
okay. Yeah.
even you can just ask the tool, give the prompt, okay, and you
Okay.
will get your front end code, back end code, or whatever you want. You can easily get the code. After that, if you
Yeah.
want that tool to deploy the applications using that code, you can do that also.
Sure, sure.
So I will share with you that kind of tools also.
Yeah,
Okay,
okay.
please
Yeah.
try that tool. So what will happens, you will at least get the idea, okay,
Oh,
like
okay.
how the like React applications are getting deployed, or
Oh,
Pythons, okay, how the
yeah.
Docker file, we write the Docker file, what are the multi-stage Docker files. So all those things you can learn very easily. At least like suppose you are preparing, or you are learning a Docker file. Okay,
Yes.
Docker file. So
Yes.
in Docker file, at least 4 to 5 language Docker file you should have the knowledge, because in the
Mm.
interview maybe they can ask you, hey, can you write the Docker file for the Python applications?
Yes, yes.
Can you write the Docker file for the React applications?
Yes. Yes.
Right. So you can easily get all the Docker file from the chat GPT.
Yes.
And if you suppose you don't know in the Docker file what are the instructions, you can easily ask the chat GPT. The chat
Mm,
GPT
yes.
will help you.
Yes.
Okay, if you
Yes.
don't, if even if you don't understand in that case, so you can connect with the people, or in the group you can ask. Okay, because again I'm telling you, there are a lot of people who are learning.
Okay.
Okay, so of course
Yeah.
you will find the people, good people. Okay,
Yeah.
and you can start clearing your doubts, okay, related
Mm,
to your
yeah.
projects or anything. And that is,
Okay.
yeah, very easy.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
One more question regarding Python.
Yes.
Uh, yes. Mostly I fell down in Python only. Whenever interviewer asks some code, I know that flow, algorithm, and everything, but I'm unable to write that code.
Okay.
Yeah. How much Python do I need to learn?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
See, so for these questions, how much? Okay,
Yes.
so there
Yes.
is no limit. It's depend upon the interviewer, how much the interviewer is expecting you to know about the Python. Python
Okay.
is used for the multiple purpose.
Yes. Okay.
Python is used by the developer also, but
Okay.
developer
Yeah.
profile is totally different and DevOps profile is totally different.
Yes.
If you
Yes.
will ask me, okay, what should I learn in Python?
Yeah.
Not how much. What should I learn
Okay.
in Python using the
Okay.
Python? So I will tell
Okay.
you only one thing: Python a
Okay.
script. Python script.
Okay.
That's it.
Oh. Okay.
So as much as you can learn the Python script
Okay.
for automating the task.
Okay.
Again, for the scripting, a lot of scriptings are
Lot
there,
of.
but
Yes.
we don't
Yes.
need to learn the scriptings, that kind of scriptings. We just need to focus on our task.
Yes. Okay.
As a DevOps engineer, our task is to automate. Our roles is to automate the task.
Okay.
Manual task we want to automate. So
Yes.
can
Okay.
it be automated using the Python script or not? If
Okay.
yes, so we need to learn that kind of Python script. But not only the
Okay.
Python, we can learn the shell scripts, right? Bash scripts,
Yes.
other
Yes.
scripts
Yes.
also.
Yes.
But it's totally depend upon the interviewer. Sometimes the interviewer wants to they want to ask the questions from the Python only, the Python scripting and all. But they will not ask you the questions from the development side, Python code development and all. They will not ask you,
Okay.
because sometimes they ask you, but even if you don't know, that's not any issues. Why? Because
No.
that is the development. We are not the developer.
Okay.
That is the role of developer, writing
Oh.
the code in the Python. Okay, that is the role of the developer, not
Oh.
DevOps engineer. Because as a DevOps engineer, we are not going to write the code in Python
Yes.
or
Yes.
any of the language.
Yes. Okay.
So we don't need to learn the language. At least,
We need to. Yes.
at least now. Okay, because
Yeah.
now just your focus is to get the job into DevOps. So
Yes.
without learning the code, also you can get the job. So why should I
Okay.
waste our time to learn the code?
Yes.
Okay, but yeah, you can learn the script if you have the knowledge, scripting knowledge. That is good. Even if you don't have the scripting knowledge, there are companies who can hire you without having the scripting knowledge.
Okay.
So you don't need to need to think like, if I don't know Python scripting, so I cannot get the job. No, even if you don't have the scripting knowledge, you can get the job into DevOps,
Okay.
because all people are not all rounder.
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
in your company, okay, if in some companies they need the people who can
Yes. Monitoring.
monitor, so they will
Yes.
ask you the question related to the Prometheus, Grafana, and
Yes.
other tools, logging tools, security tools, right?
Yes.
What are the metrics you check? What is the SLA? What is SLO? That kind of things they will start asking you, because
Yes.
they want to check whether you you have the good knowledge in the monitoring or not,
Sure.
right? So if they want, they are looking for the candidate in the infrastructures. Okay, so
Yes.
they will ask you the more than 50%, more than 60% question from the Terraform,
Yes. Okay.
pipeline,
Yes.
cloud. That's it.
And yes.
They will
Okay.
ask you the 50 to 60% questions, and then
Yes.
40% question they will ask you from the Prometheus or some monitoring tools, Grafana, or some other tools, like they will ask you from the application side maybe.
Okay.
So it's again depend upon the types of interview, types of requirement.
Okay.
Okay, someone okay team, suppose in the company they don't have the scripting guy, they don't
Okay.
have the scripting guy, DevOps scripting guy. So
Okay.
they will ask you, okay, they will ask you the scripting question a lot.
Oh. Okay.
Yes,
Yes. Got
but
it.
if we don't know the scripting, there is no problem. There are a
Oh.
companies in the market who is ready to hire, right, without any
Yes.
scripting also.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, so that is,
Yes.
you can say the optional, but basic scripting is fine.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
Yes,
Yes. I should be patient. I should keep on trying. I should keep on upskilling myself.
correct, correct,
Yes.
correct.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
and get connected with the peoples, okay, and take the
Yes.
help from them,
Yes.
okay,
Okay.
yes, as much as you can.
Yes. I should try to post whatever I'm learning.
Yes, yes, of course,
That
yeah,
that
whatever
will
you are
be
learning.
helpful more. Yes.
Yes, correct, 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 yeah. Recruiter will start approaching you,
Yes.
right,
Okay.
according to
Yeah.
your post, according to your profile skills, what you are learning, right? Maybe some
Okay.
technical persons can directly reach out to you, technical manager can directly reach out to you. Based
Yes.
on your
Okay.
experience, they will review your LinkedIn profile, right, your
Yes.
skills,
Okay.
whatever you have mentioned, and they can directly reach out to you,
Yes. Sure.
right? Hi
I'll
Sangita.
start.
Yes, yes please.
Yes, I'll start from today onwards. I'll
Yeah,
start writing the post. Yeah, some days I have written some posts, but sometimes I'm feeling like no, this it's like I'm not finding any content to post, or else someone already posted. No, then why I'm again posting like that? Sometimes I feel, sometimes I don't know where to start also. But now I'll post whatever I'm learning, whatever I'm achieving, or else whatever I'm facing the issues, or errors, I'll try to post all those things.
Correct. Even some, see, if there are some cloth soaps are available in the market, right? Already.
Yes,
So it
yes,
doesn't mean like we should not open the same cloth soaps again, right? It doesn't mean
yes,
there are a
yes,
mall, right?
correct,
There are,
correct.
so we don't need to think anything like in the negative way.
Yes, agreed.
So keep positive, okay, and always
Yeah,
think positive.
yes,
Okay,
sure.
might be you
Yeah,
have the 10 reason to get for the rejection, but maybe the one reason can help you to get selected in the interview.
sure,
So
sure.
you need to focus on one reason only.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you
Okay,
so much for your time and
thank you.
providing all the possible suggestions and sharing so much of knowledge with me. Thank you so much.